Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where MS file got corrupted and is not opening, unable to read got corrupted, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. First of all, we will save this file for the sake of this example. So I'll browse, I'll go to the desktop, I'll save it there. Okay, now let us assume that I closed it and it got corrupted. So I will search for Word in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Word. Now I will click on open. I'll click on browse. I'll go to the desktop. Let's say this is the corrupted file. I'll click on it. I will not double click on it. I will not click on open. I will click on this download pointing arrow and I'll select open and repair. Now it will repair and open it. If it opens, well and good. If it does not, it means that the file is corrupted and you cannot do anything about it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.